Hey royalties!
Opak! Ganda ka? Hi!
Ito yung laging picture ni
Nino. Hi! Drinks!
Sir, suminat.
Hot, darling, hot.
Ube.
Sarap.
No, laki na.
Kali.
Dami. Kanino ka ba to?
Anyway.
Naki-ano yung kay Joy.
Ayan, Chicken Alfredo.
Italiani kayo.
Ayan, garlic mushroom.
Silitlo ko, pasta.
Ganda friend, diba? Oh. Hi!
Hey royalties! It's your one and only Queen Simon and welcome on my channel! So guys, today is June 10, it's 7:05 AM and maaga tayo nagising because every weekdays maaga naman tayo nagigising at around 5 AM. Nag-alarm kasi tayo because mom goes to work and I see to it na every day na papasok siya, mahahatid ko siya sa may labas namin. So, kaya yun. Then, usually, after that, umiidip ako or kaya naman, nag-start na yung day ko ng maaga. And today, I told myself, I need to start doing something na. Because for this vlog, I don't know kung anong laman na nito. May mga nangyari naman in between. So, you know, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Chart. June 5, I went to LTO Gentry to get my non-pro driver's license, but something happened, so I wasn't able to get it that day. Then, pag-uwi ko, parang sama ng pakiramdam ko, then I got sick. Yes, your girl got sick again. Parang 1-2 weeks ago, nag-LBM ako. So, last week naman, ayun, nagkasakit ako. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Tapos parang nag-feverish ako. Sobrang yung body mali ko, as in waga. So, I tried to take paracetamol every 4 hours to compensate with that feeling. Then, so, yes! So, hindi na ako siya nakapag-take din ng clips noon. Because, I feel like lately, I told you guys nga, diba, from my life update vlog that I'm really trying my best to be in the moment, to really make time for my family and friends. So, yeah, and also because I think, because right now, guys, update ko lang pala kayo. Right now on our vlog, I think for this whole vlog, I think for this whole vlog, I'll be using my phone for vlogging. Cause we will be having a major upgrade So, magkakaroon tayo ng major update then about it. But ayoko muna siyang i-jinx. But, yeah. So, just, you know, a little bit of, you know, of spiel. Yun. I just sold my Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. And I was so happy that ang nakabili nun ay one of my close friends sa vlogging industry. Si Madam Ana Gonzalez. So, I'm so happy that she's the one who were able to purchase my Sony ZV-1. Kasi super in nice condition pa siya. But, one of the reasons why I sold it is, I think, two main reasons. First is, parang lately, parang ayoko na ng medyo bulky na vlogging camera. Though, super ganda niyang pang vlog and ganda ng quality. But yeah, medyo parang, I don't know, parang lately parang hindi na ako more into like bulky items. And because of that, yung second core na reason is, I really wanna upgrade my vlogging camera for this one. And I cannot share it pa. I'll just, you know, I'll just make an unboxing na lang siguro of this once it came here. It came here, tama yun? I don't know, but... Oh! And one of the major updates for this one is, yesterday, June 9, I was able to get my driver's license and the non-pro driver's license. So, here na siya. Ah! Yeah, so ito siya. I have a driver's license. No! So, I can't wait na mas makapag-practice mag-drive here sa Pilipinas kasi ang hirap. Ang dami mong need to consider. Parang lahat sila, feeling nila right of way sila. Even the peoples na naglalakad sa almost gitna ng daan. So, today is a Tuesday nga and I feel like I'm much better. Not 100%, but hindi tayo magpapakapagod kasi ayaw nating magbinat or something like that. But yeah, I just wanna start galaw-galaw na dito sa bahay. And might as well, i-vlog na natin yun para magkalaman naman tong vlog na to. So, dumaan ang 6'6" guys. And yes, kung kailan nabudol po ako ng 6'6" talaga. From Lazada, tapos may nabili ako sa Shopee. Then, lately, ang TikTok shop, nakaka-vodol din sila. So, I guess, magkaroon tayo ng unboxing for our Lazada 6'6" haul. Yeah, because everything here is from Lazada. So, it's a Lazada haul. So, tara, let's go. Wala na akong pipiliin pa kung ano lang yung mabunot ko. Yun na yun. So, this one is... Actually, parang nakaka-adulting cause parang most of the items that I bought sa 6'6" na to is to replenish all of the essentials ko. Kasi parang before nung bata pa tayo, parang basta ka na lang may mabili, parang masabi mo lang sa sarili mo na I was able to get something from that sale, ganyan. But now, parang most of the items that I've got are the essentials talaga na super duper kailangan ko. Like this one. Cause we're getting old and guys, nasa family history ata namin on my father's side that the hair loss is real. So nag-start na siya dito sa may likod. So I'm really trying my best na ma-maintain ko na may hair time. So this one is the Rosemary Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So, ayun siya. Repurchase lang ako. Ang ginagawa ko dito, hinahalo ko siya sa shampoo ko. Para, yun na. Then, everything pala na ma-unbox natin here on the vlog, I'll put the link down below na lang. Para if ever you guys wanna check it out. So, madali na lang for you guys. So, yeah. Nothing is sponsored here. Alam niyo yan. Bet Buchanan! Diba? Tumatanggap naman po tayo ng mga offers. Diba? So, this one, another replenished item lang because paubos na siya. So, I was happy na I was able to repurchase this one. The Kirkland na Vitamin C plus Zinc. Because it's important, very important not to take your vitamins, guys. Then, this one, ano ba to? Another lang din. Items to replenish. Because, oh my gosh, my freebie. Yeah, my freebie. Yun ang nakita. So, this one is the Ordinary Hair Care for all hair types. The Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. Yan, ito pa isa natin yung ginagamit na na serum for our hair growth. Sana. Kasi paubos na siya. Nasa below half na siya ng bottle. So, I was like, okay, it's 6.6. So, might as well, diba? Then, the other one na paubos ko na is one of my toners. Ito yung bago ko lang na-try, diba? The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner. So, paubos na rin siya. Like, ayan na siya. So, more than half na rin yung nagamit ko. So, might as well replenish. Then, I'm planning to replenish some of the Ordinary skincare products ko. But, may nabudol sa akin si Hazel King. Yung bago niyang ginagamit na skincare na may something. But, I think it will be coming from Korea pa. Because I purchased it sa Shopee naman. At ng 6.6 din as well. But, up until now, wala pang galaw. But nakalagay naman dun sa delivery parang update or information is sa 14 pa ipapaship nung seller. Tapos galing siya overseas nga. So, hopefully dumating na siya. But, I'm still okay kasi actually ang dami pa nga ng mga ano ko. Ayan, ito meron pa naman, kaya pa. Ito nga halos puno pa. Tapos yung iba ko din, ayan pa siya. So, madami pa naman. So, it's okay lang naman. But, yeah, I was like, okay, I think I'll just try those skincare products as if okay. Yun na lang yung gagamitin ko. Tapos, papunta ko din yung ibang The Ordinary products. Yes. Then, this one is a recommendation ng ating kumare! Kasi, one of the YouTubers talaga na pinapanood ko talaga like 2 or 3 years ago pa is si Kuku Makasaed. Si Kumaring Kuku sa YouTube. Tapos sa Instagram din. I'm following her na sa Instagram kasi para mas updated ako sa mga ganaps niya, sa IG stories niya. This one, the MagSafe Tripod Mount. So ito siya guys. Nakita ko to sa kanyang recommendation sa IG nung pinost niya. So, I was like, okay! Para at least if ever gusto natin na yung cellphone lang yung gamitin natin na pang-vlog, meron tayo pwedeng ilagay sa ating tripod. So, eto siya. So, ilalagay mo siya sa tripod mo, then pack mo na siya. So, I think later after this, kapag may mga gagawin tayo later here or sa baba, tapos I need to vlog it, I'll just use this. Ito yung usual yung ginagamit ko na tripod before for my Sony. So, hindi ko siya binenta. Tapos, may other one is ito kasi yung mga pangmalakas akong tripod, the Ulanzi na very handy. Tapos, ito naman na very sturdy naman, the Joby one. So, ito, ginagamit ko din siya kapag phone yun or pwedeng pang camera. So, diba? So, ito siya, guys. Ayan. Tapos, pwede ko siyang i-adjust. Tapos, pwede ako magawa dito ng parang mga reels din, diba? So, ayan siya. Very, feeling ko sobrang magagamit ko siya. Tapos, ayan. So, kapag yung mag-vlog, pwedeng camera, yung cellphone mo here, back mo lang. Tapos, hash! Ganun. Diba? So, I'm excited. Gano'n. Ba yan? Saan nangyayari agad? Then, next naman natin. Oh, another! Oh, wait lang! Dun sa The Ordinary pala, I'm surprised na mayroong freebie. Kasi wala namang nakalagay nung nag-check out ako. Kasi usually naman, nakalagay naman na parang may, itong item na to, ito yung parang freebie. So, ito ay Sador Horse Fat Moist Hand Cream. So, this one naman is from Cosrx. Because kung na-remember nyo guys, yung mga skincare routine ko, pag sinishare ko siya, talagang ang gamit ko lang na products ay from Cosrx, saka The Ordinary lang. Kasi yun na yung tried and tested ko. And nahaloka nga ako kasi nung nagkasakit ako, bigla naman akong nag-break out. So, I was like, ayun siya guys, ang dami. Here, tapos here. Mga dark spots na lang naman. But, yeah. So, I was like, okay. Chill lang kayo. So, ito yung mga bilhin natin. Yung ating mga nag-replenish lang ulit ako nung low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Itong ginagamit ko sa morning. Then, akala ko mali kasi parang, sabi ko, ba't parang ang package na pang toner and something. Yung Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang gabi. Then, I repurchased, before I'm using this, but di ko siya ni-repurchase nung 3 months ago kasi I tried this one. But sabi ko, I'll repurchase this, the HA/BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner. Then I'll be using this in the morning as a toner. Kasi sa umaga, napansin ko pala, wala pala akong ginagamit na toner. Kasi ito, ang instruction nito is panggabi lang. Kasi parang medyo, I don't know if matapang yung right way, but sabi sa gabi lang. Kasi sa morning, may toner tayo. Diba? Then, may freebie sila na, ang cute lang, maliit na salicylic acid daily gentle cleanser. Pang travel kit, diba? So, this one naman, I just tried buying lang ng chinelas. I just wanna have a new house slippers lang here sa bahay. So, ang cute lang niya, diba? It's a bear. It's a bear. I was in nude color because you know me, I'm a nude girl. Nude girl. Our last one! It's a repurchase as well. Kasi in need tayo kasi paubos na yung ano natin, last carton natin ito. So, una kong binila nito, yung Allegro ata yun na parang Lazada shop. And out of stock sila. So, a good thing I was able to find a shop na hindi ganun din kamahal yung benta. Kasi yung ibang shop, palibasa nga siguro in demand, nasa 200 plus per carton. So, buti ito, nasa parang 190 plus, pero dahil 66 na parang 180 something. Kasi sa Allegro, parang nasa 170 plus lang eh. Tapos, ewan ko lang kapag nakasale kung bababa pa siya ng maybe 160, I don't know. Oh, but ang ganda ng packaging niya. Sobrang safe. Naka-bubble wrap pa. It's the outside, the barista blend. Ayan. So, I've got 2 cartons of it. Tapos, meron pa siyang tape here. So, talagang walang spill na mangyayari. Wow, nice. Nice one. So, good thing I was able to find this shop naman. Nung out of stock nga, yung una kong pinagbila. Tig 1 liter. The outside. Kasi this is the one that I'm using for my matcha and for my coffee. So, before we end this, unboxing, I'll just share with you guys. Kasi nga nakita kami ni Shena Girl nung Sunday. Then, nag-Japan kasi sila. So, oh my God! Muntik pa mahulog. So, she got me some pasalubongs from Japan. So, this one is a souvenir bag from Japan. So, a big size. So, I guess I'll be able to use this kapag may mga travel tayo, ganyan. Pero tayo malalagyan ng mga natin, extra gamit natin. Open natin siya para makita natin ang kanyang itsura. Sabi ko nga siya, Diyos ko, hindi na talaga kayo need na basalubong. Ay, ang cutie! Ang cute ng design. Tapos Japan. Tapos in pink. Ay, ang saya. Ang dami mong ilalagay. I love it. Shopping na tayo, guys. Ganun. I love. Thank you, Shena Girl. Then, she got me a matcha latte mix na powder. Ayun, nakalagay. So, oh my gosh! There's another, matcha powder. Then, this is the last one. Green tea with cherry leaf. Tea bags, I think. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, ang ganda nung lalagyan niya. So, thank you, Shena Girl. Tapos ano to? Parang may pa-something pa. Sakura nga ba to? Tapos, let's remove this na. Huh? Ay! Ooh! So, nakaganto pa siya. Ayan, guys. So, we need to open this one pa. Then, maybe just put it here. Then, if we want some tea bags, diba? I like. Thank you so much, Shena Girl. Ganda ng packaging. I love it. Then, we're down to our last one. This last one, super touched, super shocked, very unexpected. Kasi yung isa naming friend sa US, sa Shreveport, Bossier, group of friends namin. Nagulat ako na Ate Junina, si Ate Ganda kasi tawag ko doon. Iyak tuloy ako. Kasi super close din namin, super chika kami noon. But di siya masyado nakakasama sa mga ganap namin doon. Kasi as a busy mom siya with their 3 girlies. But I'm just super happy. She gave me this as a pasalubong. Pinasabay na kay Shena Girl. It's a Lululemon. Ako kasi guys, I super love aloe. Pero wala naman akong aloe item kasi ang mahal niya. Diba? So, super lagi lang ako. Nakikita ko lang yung aloe. Kinikilig lang ako. Natutuwa lang ako. Then, nung nag-California nga ako nung 2023 October, I was like, sa The Grove yun. I think sa The Grove may Lululemon. Tapos, bumili talaga ako ng parang jogging pants sa Lululemon kasi naka-sale naman siya para at least may Lululemon ako, and that's my first and only one. Then napag-usapan namin ni Ate Junine kasi nung nag-The Pearl kami around their area, yung mga oysters, may Lululemon na outlet kami na daan. Sabi ko, tapos makawentuhan namin, tapos ako, Ate Junine, I like Lululemon, ganyan. Tapos sabi na, yung mga ano ko nga, at parang at least na puro Lululemon. Tapos hindi ko na-expect na she'll be able to give me a Lululemon item. So, this one is a Lululemon bag! It's a belt bag. And I'm super happy because I don't have like a belt bag talaga. Kasi ang ginagamit ko lang pang run is this Nike na fanny pack from Sakahayon. So, I guess this one will be a great addition to my pang running fit. So, this one, yeah, the Lululemon Everywhere belt ng Lululemon. So, it's so nice. Tapos, oh, ito, to my beautiful sister Simon, love your Ate Ganda. So, yun, I'm super happy with this. Thank you so much, Ate Junina, Ate Ganda, for my Lululemon belt. I'm sure I'll be able to use this sa aking every pagtakbo or paglalakad man lang. Thank you! So, linisin ko na itong makalat dito and let's see kung ano magagawa natin for today's vlog. So, there's
a few moments later.
Hey, royalties! Hindi ko na kayo na-update kanina. Wait, lagi ko kayo dito para hindi tayo against the light.
So, time check is already 4:31 PM at hindi ko na natuloy mag-vlog after natin mag-usap kanina. But, this is the current situation pala of our living room. So, nabanggit ko sa inyo na I was sick since Thursday late afternoon. Then right now naman, I'm feeling better. It's just that ayoko lang masyadong gumalaw kasi ayoko na parang mabinat in a way. Pero mas okay na yung pakiramdam ko talaga. Hindi na yung katulad nung itong mga nakaraang araw na parang medyo nanlalata pa rin, still with body malaise, something like that. But yeah, so after natin mag-usap kanina, I continued watching lang The Bear on Disney Plus. Kasi, grabe ang Disney Plus, no? Nag-sale sila up until this June 26 ba? Or, I don't know. But, yeah, 470 something na lang sila for a year na yon. So, I was able to get that promo. Kasi I really wanna watch The Bear. So, I mean, season 2, parang episode 4 na ako later, pag kinontinue ko siya. Then, I wanna watch also the Only Murders in the Building, so with Selena Gomez. So yeah, so nanood na ako kanina ng episode ng The Bear. Then I had my actually ano na siya, brunch na. Tapos I took a nap. So nakaano ako, nagnap ako ng parang mga 10 something, nagising ako mga 11 something, mga 1 hour din. Then napatulog ulit ako. So, nagising ako parang magto 2 PM na. So, oh my gosh. So, I feel like nahabawi ng katawan ko. Then, wala ko masyadong ginawa today. But, I think tomorrow, we'll go outside saglit. Kasi, I tried to renew my PRC license online. But, I needed to upload a new picture. Na parang updated picture na within 6 months as white back. Wala naman akong ganun. So, I think punta ko ng Lotus Mall tomorrow to do that para makapag-picture ako and makakuha ng soft copy so I can upload it on my PRC account. Then baka daan lang din ako ng BPI to get my what you call that? Yung pina-replace ko na debit card kasi life happens. So, kailangan kong kunin kasi parang nung April 3 ko pa yun ni-request. So, 2 months na. But I think, okay pa naman siya for 3 months. Pero hindi na siya pabuti na 3 months. So, alis naman tayo tomorrow. So, might as well kunin na rin natin yun. Then, that's it. Then, we'll go home. So, I think, maliligo lang ako. Then, mag-nod ako The Bear. Nanood lang din ako ng mga random vlogs on YouTube, yung mga sinusubscribe ko just to update myself as well. Then nag-crave lang ako ng Ferrero, arte! May ayun. But sabi ko kay mother, mag-aasa balutan na ako dito, but
Kasi yung sa kwarto kasi ni Pao, tumutulo na yung aircon. So, kailangan siyang malinis. But, I think it's been 2 weeks na since kinontak ni Mami yung usually na naglilinis ng mga aircons namin. Pero wala pa rin. So, might as well, hintayin na lang siguro yun. Na malinis muna. So, para, you know, everything is all settled down. Gusto nyo yun? Medyo maingay guys kasi nga, alam mo naman, tabing kalsada. But yeah, wait. Here's the current situation. Ayan. So, andito lang ako. Kasi nga, nung mga unang mga araw na may sakit ako, parang hindi na ako aakyat baba. So, yes guys, that's the update. So, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey royalties! Good morning! So today is a Thursday. It's June 12, 2025 and Happy Independence Day! O diba bigla ko lang naalala kasi dahil sa date. So time check, it's 7:45 AM. Kakagising-gising ko lang naman. And today, I'm so alone. Because just last night, umalis si Mami kasama si Tita Susie and iba nilang friends going to our province in Quezon kasi parang may alumni homecoming, so they decided to go to our province. Ako dapat parang either next week yata for the fiesta naman, but si Ate Mayan hindi siya makaka-uwi, so mukhang hindi kami matutuloy. So mukhang hindi makaka-visit sa province. So a quick update, yesterday dapat pupunta ako ng Lotus, diba? Lotus Mall para makapagpa-picture for may PRC ID renewal. Pero hindi natuloy kasi parang maulan kahapon, parang makulimlim. So, natamad na si girl. So, dapat today, kaya lang, yung hinihintay namin na maglilinis ang aircon for 2 weeks na, nagsabi kay Mami na later this afternoon daw sila pupunta. So, I decided na magstay na lang dito sa bahay. Then tomorrow, Friday, na lang ako aalis to do my own errands. So, yeah. Yun lang naman so far. Then, nakakatawa. Katulad nyo ba ako, guys? Kasi, wait lang. Lagay ko kayo dito. Kasi, yesterday, may dumating na package. This one. This package is an accessory for the gadget that I'm waiting na finally nagkaroon na siya ng mas clear update. It's on the way. Nasa Cavite area na siya, but I don't know if it will be delivered today or tomorrow. Then, aside from the main gadget, meron ako hinihintay na other accessories. Aside from this one, meron pa ako hinihintay na actually parang tatlo pa. Isa is the memory card that will be that I bought from Lazada. Then there's other 2 accessories that I bought from TikTok with this as well. Pero kasi magkakahiwalay ko sila binili kasi wala akong matanungan kung anong mga dapat biling accessories. Nakikita ko lang paisa-isa kapag nanonood ako ng vlog tapos gamit yun. Tapos nakita ko, mayroong parang kinakabit sa gitna. Then you can use it as a stand na rin. And add magnet. Tapos yung parang pinaka stand or support sa baba para may balance. Then this one is a screen protector. Then the other one is the memory card. Diba? Parang katulad yung ako na pag may binibili or may hinihintay na darating na gadget or cellphone. Minsan, pag na-anticipate yung nauuna pa yung mga mga accessories. Oh, this one pala guys. Alam niyo ba, tagal to na sa akin. Parang more than a month or 2 na. But actually, I did the content for this one. Pero hindi ko na siya na-edit. Ito guys. Kasi the one that I'm using right now is my iPhone 16 Plus. Tapos, yung pinakita ko sa inyo na nabudol sa akin ni Kumare as a recommendation. But this one is good as well. This one naman is budol to me by Mami Heidi. Ito yung isa sa mga uso ngayon na may suction here. Tapos, any flat surfaces, ilock mo lang siya. Then, you can also like, you know, adjust. So, this one is good as well. But, I'm using this one kasi na-attach siya sa mga tripod. So, I guess much convenient siya gamitin. Right? But this one, kapag meron kang gustong gawing mga shoot na parang pang fillers for your vlog, like for the nasa door, walls, or anything. Basta any flat surfaces. Promise guys. So parang sturdy niya. So yeah, I'll just put the link na lang down below if you wanna check it out guys. So dahil may mga pupunta, mag-gas ng aircon. Kasi 3 aircon yung lilinisin. Sa kwarto ni Pao, where I'm staying right now. Then this one sa sala. Then kay mami na room. So I'm planning to remove this na and make linis dito sa living room. Because I'm feeling so much better na. So thank you Lord. So yeah, I think maybe later tonight I can stay na sa room ni mami. So yun lang naman yung ganaps for today actually. Parang normal na ulit siya na living room, diba? So, akit ko na lang itong mattress. Saka yung banig na ginamit. Then, ito na yung marumi. So, labas na muna natin siya. Namiss niyo ba guys yung parang home vlog sa ating before? Ay. Siyempre, nag-double lock tayo kasi may isa lang sa akin. Alright. Pag uwi ni mama, sabihin niyo, tambak na naman ito ng mga labaw. But yeah, hopefully soon. Oh, sige, try natin makapag-home vlog. So, next, akit natin ito mga. Ito muna. Ayan. Ayan. Parang banig na. Ito natin sila. Guys. Wow. Sana mga matagang lakas. Kaya ito wala ko siya. I'll just jog it. Kapagod yun. Okay, pero wait lang ko dun guys. So, dito na siya. So, dyan ka muna. Oh my. Okay.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's been a while since I've had the salad from SNR. And it's really one of my favorites. Kasi, alam ko, ang perfect lang talaga na. Yung dressing, everything na nasa bowl na to. It's giving. Yeah, I'll just enjoy my salad and my coffee. Alright, haters. Hey royalties, I'm back home. So hindi ko na kayo naisama sa ganap ko today. But time check, it's only like 11:28. Hindi na pala ako nakikita. 11:28 AM. So ayun, nag-errands lang tayo today saglit para matapos na kasi na-pending na siya ng na-pending. So today is a Friday, nakahabol tayo sa office day. So, umalis ako kanina ng bahay, parang mga around 9 something naman na din. So, napunta muna ako first sa bangko to get yung pina-replace ko na debit card. So, I'm so happy I got it na. Then after that, nagpunta lang ako ng Lotus Mall. Oh my gosh, been a while since I've been there. Arte yun. So, ang dami ko memories doon nung high school ako. And, you know, kasi yung isa sa pinakamalapit na mall sa amin. Maliit lang siya na mall, Lotus Mall, dito sa Imus. So, first agenda was magpa-picture. So, I went to Tronix. Oh my God! High school days in Tronix Imaging Center na yun. Kailangan ko kasing magpa-picture kasi I need to upload an updated picture sa PRC website kasi magre-renew ko ng PRC. Kailangan pala may update ka na picture doon, parang not later than 6 months. Tapos kailangan white background, tapos formal. So, ayun, yung ginawa ko first. Then after that, habang hinihintay ko, nagpa-LBC ako nung item na may bumili. Kasi nag-declutter ako, guys, 'di ba? So, yung ibang mga gamit na hindi ko na sinusuot and ginagamit, binibenta ko siya sa Carousel. So, I'll put the link down below na lang para if ever you wanna check kung ano yung mga items na available pa. Then after that, kasi guys, eto na nga. I was able to get my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 yesterday. Then unbox ko na siya earlier today. Pero yung unboxing baka ilagay ko na lang sa next vlog natin kasi para consistency. So yeah, then wala pa kasi akong memory card kasi yung memory card binili ko lang din online sa Lazada nga tapos wala pa rin kasi siya. I wanna use it na, so I don't know if darating siya later today or tomorrow, but sabi ko bili na ako. So, nung nag-search naman kasi ako, this one daw is compatible naman. But, nung nilagay namin, kailangan daw, parang format and try again. Tapos, yung format nila, parang SD speed slow. So, shooting may stop. But, nakakapag-record naman, pero may ganong lumalabas na So, I don't know. So, maybe, pag dumating yung memory card na in-order ko, which I believe naman is compatible here sa DJI natin. I mean, mas compatible kasi ito kasi nga may sinasabi pa siya. So, baka ibenta ko na lang siya. I bought it for $7.95 din naman. So, syempre, ibenta ko na lang siya ng mas mura. Diba? Then, what else? So, I was able to get my picture. Share ko lang sa inyo yung picture. As a cutie yun. Yeah, may 2x2 saka 1x1. So, ayan siya. Tapos guys, pasensya naman sa sa nails ko. Kasi diba, alam niyo naman na I'm always nagpapalagay ng nail polish. So parang gusto ko muna siya pagpahingahin kasi parang ang pangit na ng color niya, saka parang brittle na niya. So pagpahingahin ko muna siya. Then last stop natin before I went home, parang natakam ako ng Baker's Fair na piano sa Cahokia kasi nung high school and kapag napunta talaga ako ng Lotus Mall, I always go to Baker's Fair kasi super love ko yung nila, yung Hopia nila saka yung piano. So
I said to myself, kailangan before umuwi, makadaan at makabili. Kasi nga, namiss ko na. So, bumili lang ako ng piano, para may merienda tayo. Tapos, hopya, 5 ube, 5 munggo. Walang baboy. Ay, hindi ko kasi sinasabi ang baboy. Walang baboy na munggo. Yun yung gusto ko kasi. Isa sa mga gusto ko. But ito, favorite ko rin naman to. Munggo, saka ube. So, ayun guys. So, today, wala na tayo masyadong ganaps na. Parang, wala na. Rest na tayo for the whole day. I'm still alone. Si Mami, uwi sila by tomorrow evening ata. But, I think I'll end the vlog here na. Yun. I think I'll end the vlog here na, guys. So, I think this vlog for 2 weeks, wala masyadong, alam mo, ang 2 weeks siya, pero parang wala masyadong naganap. Parang more of chika lang ako. Eh, okay na rin naman, as an update, diba? Kasi naman wala. Then, starting tomorrow, a new vlog again. And, hopefully, we'll be able to really use na the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Para ma-ROI na natin. So, ay kanina pala! Kasi nung nabili ako ng memory card, sabi nung nag-a-assist na si Kuya, sabi niya, ang ganda naman yan po, ganyan, mahal po yan, mahal yan, ganyan. Nag-vlogger po kayo, ganyan. Kaya sabihin, opo, may YouTube. Tapos siningin niya yung YouTube ko. Sabi ko, kunti lang view, subscribers ko yan. Yun, chinek na lang. Well, anyways, ayun, nakakaya! Then, but I guess, and I hope, and I pray na, because of our new vlogging camera, mas maging confident na tayo at maliles na yung shyness natin sa pag-vlog kasi mas maliit na siya. Hindi naman siguro ganun kaagaw pansin. So happy with this. So, ayan guys. I don't know, I hope na gustuhan nyo at na-enjoy nyo pa rin yung vlog natin for today. But yeah, till next time, royalties, much love. Your Queen Simon. And don't forget to always be kind.